What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Windy City Homie here, and we're back for another video, guys. Today we got another unboxing video. I haven't done one of these in a really long time, so this is pretty much from the previous video that I had uploaded that I was mentioning to you guys that I got a lot of things coming in for my firearms. So we're finally have gotten the majority of the packages. As soon as I got this one, I couldn't wait and to make this video for you guys because I'm really excited about this one, because we're finally gonna start working on my rifles. Today what we're gonna be putting on, it's going to be a red dot, but not any kind of red dot, because I pretty much got cheap red dots for my firearms, but I'm starting to just go ahead and go all out on these things, because at the end of the day, those are for my protection and my family's protection as well. So enough yapping around. So this is pretty much the red dot that I got, and it's going to be this Holosun. But it's not, like I said, it's not only any type of red dot. So this is the Holosun. This is the HS510C and HM3X combo. So it's obviously the what they call it, the Romeo and Juliet. So we got the regular red dot, and then obviously the magnifier here. With this one, like I said, it's gonna be going into my AR pistol. This is something like I had mentioned in the previous videos, I kind of lost touch about my firearms itself, that I kind of just bought them and I started upgrading them here and there, and then I lost complete interest on them. But we're finally going to be back in the game to bring you guys a little bit more videos for that. And I also will be taking this thing to the range. I don't know if I'm gonna mix it here with this video. More than likely no. I'm just gonna do the unboxing first, so you guys can pretty much see the specs of it and everything, and then afterwards I am definitely gonna be bringing it into the range. But let's go ahead and open this thing. I just got it not too long ago. I haven't opened it or anything, so I'm gonna let you guys do the honors and see this thing first before me. And this is how it looks like. Oh, we got a bunch of paperwork. We don't need that just yet. Guess these are all like instructions. Yes, it's a user manuals, and obviously to scan it to make sure that I register it. That's what it looks like. Yep. So we got a bunch of screws. Here you go. We have a little rag, I guess, to clean the magnifier and obviously the red dot and all that stuff. It's a lot of really cool things about this thing. So I don't know if you guys can kind of see it from there, but this is how the package looks. We got the magnifier right there, we got the red dot, and then obviously I think this is going to be a mount. Yep. So I guess if you want to kind of raise it a little bit more, or whatever the case it is, in case if it don't fit for the specific firearm that you're looking for. So we got a bunch of little things here and there. This thing is awesome. Has the little key to, has a lot of really cool things to adjust the windage and obviously all that stuff. It has a little key here. But let's go ahead and take this puppy out, see how it looks. So this is just the red dot itself. Nice, real nice Holosun. This thing is all metal, which is good. Obviously we don't want nothing cheap for your firearms. I'm done buying cheap stuff, so we're gonna go, it's either go all out or go home. So this is the red dot. This is how the front looks. This is how the back looks. Really cool thing about it, I didn't know this, but it looks like it's solar charge, so that'll be great when we're out there on the range with my boy. Let's see if we can go ahead and turn this thing on. Holy smokes, this thing looks awesome, guys. Sheesh, there's some Call of Duty stuff. See if you guys can see it. Let me turn off the light. You guys see that right there? Let me try to block it. I don't know if you'll be able to look at it in camera, but that thing looks nice there. I don't know if you guys can see it there, but obviously that thing looks real nice there. So I just can't wait to slap this thing on to my AR pistol here. And obviously here's the magnifier. This one you don't need nothing except obviously to put it in the rear part of the firearm. So it's going to be setting in something like this on your firearm. So obviously you got the red dot, and then you got the magnifier sitting in the back. This is a ×3, I believe so. So obviously it says a ×3, so I don't know if you can kind of see it there. Yeah, it's kind of hard to see on camera, but whenever I do take it to the range, I'm gonna try to see if I can put it on behind the rifle itself to see if you can actually look at it. Obviously putting it out there in the sun so it can charge as well, it's really important, because I don't think this piece itself, oh, this is for the battery here on the side. That's what it looks like. Obviously you have the little adapters there, so it comes with a lot of really cool features itself that I am noticing. Obviously go ahead and put it in and out fairly quickly to release it, to make it real tight into your firearm, so this thing doesn't wobble every single time you're trying to fire your firearm. Because again, this is going to go on my AR pistol that shoots 223-556, so it's some powerful round itself. Not like 7.62, but it's definitely powerful compared to a firearm that is 9mm 45 or anything like that. So this unboxing for sure, it's pretty fire for me. I'm really excited about this. I don't know if you guys can pretty tell from my face, and excuse my voice, I've been really sick lately, but like I told you guys before, we're out here on the grind, so we're not gonna give up. We're not gonna stop, sick or rain or whatever the case it is. I'm out here trying to bring you guys some videos so you guys can be entertained. But enough of that, let's go ahead and slap this thing into my firearm, my beautiful AR pistol here. So obviously I haven't showed you guys this firearm since I made one of my first videos of my gun collection. So obviously this is an AR pistol. It's a Ruger that is chambered in 5.56 223. Mags are empty, nothing in the chamber. Safe direction, nothing in there, so we're clear. Like I said, this is a Ruger AR pistol, chamber in 5.56 223. Obviously you guys know the specs. Obviously we have the safety feature there. You have the safety feature there. They got the little lever, so safe and fire, all that stuff. Obviously nothing in there, but safe, fire, all that stuff. So obviously right now I got this cheap MCK red dot that came in with my attachment for my Glock 19. I decided to put it on this one because that attachment, I never really used it. So right now we're gonna go ahead and remove this cheap red dot, and we're gonna go ahead and slap this Holosun red dot here. So obviously you guys can compare, see the difference there. Obviously quality of it, you can't really tell, but if you know, you know. The quality is a lot different. I might set this one like this around this area, and then obviously the magnifier, it'll go probably back here with this one is at. I'll try to mess around with it because obviously I have my Olight Odin GL, the GL. So obviously that comes, I haven't charged this this flashlight in a really long time, so I don't know if it's still gonna work or not. But Olight is one of it's a pretty good brand for flashlights. A lot of people, they say really bad things about it, but I've been having nothing but Olights in the majority of my firearms, including in my side pieces, my pocket. As you guys know, I carry these flashlights as well too. It's been through hell and back with me at work and all that good stuff. Pretty bright. I hardly charge them, so they're really good flashlights itself. So obviously we have the low setting, excuse me, we have the high setting, my bad, and then obviously by switching this little piece here on the side, it'll switch from a laser to flashlight and laser. So obviously you guys can see, but we're not gonna worry about that. But I'm actually really surprised because, like I said, I haven't charged this flashlight in a really long time. So for this thing to still have battery, it's amazing. So that tells you what kind of quality the Olight brings you to the table. So enough talking, let's go ahead and slap this thing. So again, like I said, this is how it looks now. And man, this is how it's gonna look like in a little bit. Okay guys, okay, finally got this thing on. It actually sits pretty nice in here. It's everything's not on the way. This thing moves back and forth how it's supposed to. I mean, side to side how it's supposed to. The red dot is not on the way of the flashlight here, so which is good. Obviously I still got a really good grip here. The only thing here, the only downside about this is obviously the flashlight itself. I might have to move it this side instead of over here, because it's in the way of the pressure pad to press on for the light and everything. So it's kind of weird once you come and bring it out like this. It's kind of weird to do so and, you know, kind of go all the way over to press this thing. So besides that, this thing is amazing. I actually like how it's starting to look. This is my Call of Duty build. So it's actually been something that I've been wanting to do a really long time, but like I said, I lost all my interest. Like I said, this is my Call of Duty build here. Has the sling here. I forgot what this one is. This one is a MS4. It's been a real long time since I slapped this thing on. So obviously you put this around your neck and then you just go out, get all the zombies out there. Just playing. But, you know, that's the whole reason why I wanted to put the magnifier itself too. So in case close combat, you get them. If you need a little bit more distance, you bring this thing out and then you'll be able to see it. Obviously, this thing is just coming out of the box. So I don't know how good Holosun is from having it zero out from the box itself. So obviously we're gonna go out to the range and try to zero this thing out as best as possible. I'm not expecting something really good right off the bat. So then again, it's Holosun. This thing is pretty expensive. In other words, it's expensive for me. I'm working a regular 9 to 5, so all of these things that I'm doing to my vehicles, doing to my firearms, and going out to the range and everything, it's all of these things is coming out of my pocket. But again, I'm investing on myself to bring you guys content, and hopefully I could get more and more viewers. So then that gets to the point to where now this whole YouTube stuff is giving me a source of income as well too. So you gotta invest in yourself, guys, at the end of the day. So there's no complaints. Other than that, like I said, I'm definitely gonna go out to the range, zero this thing out. Like I said, I've been going back and forth with one of my buddies. He's been wanting to go out there to the range itself too. He has his own firearms as well too, so who knows, he might bring out his AR too. Or we're just gonna go ahead and compare our Call of Duty builds. That I'm gonna be bringing out my AR pistol. He most likely, like I said, he might bring out his AR pistol as well too. Whatever firearm that he's gonna be willing to bring out. Same thing as me. You guys already know what's my #1 choice right now as a side firearm, and that is my Glock 19 Gen 4. So I'm gonna be bringing both of those out to play to the range. We're gonna go ahead and see how that one goes. But other than that, guys, like, this was gonna be a quick little video. This is just bringing out my loadout. This was just doing an unboxing for my red dots here from my Holosun red dot here. Like I said, the Romeo Juliet, so it's a ×3 magnifier, and then obviously the red dot, Holosun red dot. So other than that, I really don't have too much other things to do. So I feel like it's pretty complete for me personally at this moment. I'm not really big into firearms to where changing buffer tubes in the handle, changing the bolts, just messing around with the gas pressure, just anything of that sort. I'm a pretty basic dude, just like you guys. Well, the majority of you guys, I know a lot of you guys are gonna say, well, I know how to do this, I know how to do that. If you do, great. If you don't, it's a learning process. So obviously in the future, little by little, we're gonna go and learn with each other. So overall, I'm really happy with my build for now. Can't wait to take this thing to the range and see how pretty accurate this thing is. we're probably gonna be doing the same thing as how I always do, 5, 10, 15 yards and stuff like that, and see how really accurate this red dot is from the box. And then afterwards we're gonna start moving things around to zero it out as best as possible. Who knows, also I might take this thing out to my boys ranch out there. I know you're gonna be watching this. Let me know, would you be down to shoot this bad boy right here? I know you have a lot of good things happening for your Canucks, happening for your Hellcat, and all those stuff that you've been going on yourself too. I know I'm trying to catch up to you, bro. I know you got a lot of really good upgrades to your firearms as well too, so you've been one of the reasons why I'm back in the firearm game itself too. So thanks to you, now you're pushing me to do a lot of more upgrades to my firearms. But yeah, guys, let me know what you guys think about my build here. Do you guys like it? What you guys don't like? What do you do different from me? Let me know anything in general. See if you guys rock with your boy's build, or let me know in the comments from a rate between 1 and 10. What would you rate this? For me personally, I'll give this a solid 9. A solid 9. I could give it a 10, but it's pretty basic, so I do definitely do one hopefully in the near future I want to Cerakote this thing. I have a lot of really cool ideas on what I'm thinking. Triggers and stuff like that, like I said, that's something I really don't mess around with. I know some of my friends, they do mess around with all that stuff, and I know some of you guys might mess around with them too. But if the firearm is working for me and it's accurate and it's doing what it was designed to do, so I'm happy with it. Other than that, I really don't like to mess around with nothing major, any of the internal components. And other than pistols, especially Glocks, because they're really good to mess around with things in here and there. This one, you got a lot more things to do. So, but yeah, obviously this is the unboxing of my Holosun red dot with the magnifier. And then I got more other stuff that I'm gonna be bringing out also for my other firearms, so you guys stay tuned for those videos. Let me know, like I said in the comments, do you like my Call of Duty build? AR pistol here, chamber in 5.56 or do you guys will drop this? Who knows, I might also do a video with my boy, do the copper drops between both the firearms. I'll talk to him and see what he wants to do, but for sure we're going to be taking this thing to the range. Other than that, like I said, guys, don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. If you haven't subscribed, it's literally free, guys. You guys don't have to pay for nothing. Just hit the subscribe button and support your boy out here. We're trying to make it out big, like all these other YouTubers itself too. The grind don't stop. Like I said, excuse my voice, I'm really sick today, but we're not giving up. So we're gonna go ahead out here, grind for you guys, to bring you guys some really dope videos. Other than that, like I said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.